If you're having connection problems or connection issues with Escape the Backrooms, well, in this video I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video if it helped, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. And if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, on the bottom right corner, click on time and date or right click on it to be specific, adjust the date and time, and make sure to set time zone automatically and set time automatically is both turned on. Once you do that, just go ahead and click on sync now. Make sure it has this check right over here. Close that out. Sometimes it doesn't sync with the server, sometimes that's why the error issues keeps popping up. Now I want you to go ahead and click on the trailer over here and then exit Steam and relaunch Steam and relaunch the game and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, click on your start menu right over here, type in cmd, run as administrator, and then type in ipconfig space flush DNS, press enter, and then one last thing on the same window right over here, type in netsh winsock reset, press enter, and you should say you must restart the PC in order to complete the reset. So make sure to check if it's both successfully flushed and if successfully reset. So go ahead and close it out, restart your PC, and your game should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.